Welcome to your dream home in the heart of Meridian Ranch. From the moment you step inside, you'll feel the warmth and space this stunning 6-bedroom, 4-bath home has to offer. The main level welcomes you with beautiful hardwood floors, a cozy gas fireplace in the family room, and a bedroom that's perfect for guests or a home office. At the heart of the home is a large gourmet kitchen built to impress, complete with ample counter space, stylish finishes, and a dedicated dining room that's ideal for both quiet family dinners and lively holiday gatherings. Upstairs, you'll find a spacious loft that's perfect for a playroom, home theater, or second living area, along with a generously sized primary bedroom retreat. Need even more space? Head down to the fully finished basement, perfect for entertaining, relaxing, or giving everyone room to spread out. And when you're ready to step outside, Meridian Ranch has it all. An indoor and outdoor pool, a full workout facility, basketball courts, scenic walking trails, neighborhood parks, and even a golf course just minutes away. This isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle. Come see it in person and you'll know you found something special. Contact us now and take the first step toward the lifestyle you've been searching for. Your dream home is waiting. Let's make it a reality.